All right, there's another good lesson with fishing a hole. So you noticed when I started, I was swinging my fly and I swung it all the way down this little tail out here with the pocket water. And then I decided, you know what? At the end, I'm gonna throw it back up and bring it back to me fast. And that upstream cast, for whatever reason, when I was swinging by the fish, they were like, eh. But as soon as I threw it up and started racing it downstream, that elicited a strike and I got 2 fish out of this hole. Sometimes after fishing a hole, I'll run it back this way, as that works. It's that little bit different look. Yep. I don't know what it is about that. Beautiful fish. Oh my gosh, I wish it would stay on. That guy. Oh. All right, I'll let you go. So, an important lesson. Don't always do the same thing. Fish it several different ways. And once you're finished with a hole, especially streamer fishing, throw it back up, race it back down, right? That streamer fishing tip will double the amount of fish you put in the net. Why? Because I've done it and it's worked for me. All right, so check out this playlist. It has a bunch of other techniques and things that you want to look for when fishing your favorite stream, especially when it comes to structure. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.